Hello there. While I'm not hiking here in Switzerland, I also tend to one hobby that I started last year around the house, which is gardening. Gardening, I found it very fulfilling, and I love the fact that it can contribute to a healthy lifestyle and also be sustainable. Financially speaking, you can save a lot of money, especially here in Switzerland, where everything is super expensive. For instance, I have lots of pepper plants which still bear fruit as of now, and I'm planning to winter them somehow, and also tomatoes. So I will invite you to one short tour in my garden and see what plants I have, and yeah, let's enjoy together this video. So meet Goliath. This is my biggest pepper plant that I have, and has been wintered since last year, and during the winter it didn't produce anything, so it was quite dormant. But this season it had lots of peppers, of spicy peppers, which are extremely healthy. Over here I have another two peppers in separate pots. This one is not so spicy, but still the fruit can be used for a salad and stuff like that, for cooking. This one is quite spicy, and I also have ripened ones which look great. And over here is a kind of experiment. So I do have a couple of peppers which I didn't expect to grow that much, and also along with them I have the basil inside the same pot. I also do have this ball pepper which produced, I think, two peppers this year, and I'm hoping that since I moved it to a bigger pot, it will grow bigger and it will be able to bear product next year. So moving on from the peppers, this is my production of tomatoes this year. Right now, since it's already September, they are not ripening very fast, but still they are in pretty good shape as of now, and I'm hoping to eat them when they are ripen. And I can't do much. So if the temperatures go below freezing, I'm not able to save them. So I will have to clear this big pot and reuse it last next year. Same goes here. I have tomatoes and also a bit of basil, which I think it's over its prime. And there seems to be a tomato plant which is very healthy. But I don't think it will be able to survive the winter, and it will not bear any fruit for now. Because I'm an onion lover, I do have a couple of them right here, but I don't have enough space to grow them properly. Still, they are a good snack. Over here we can find some cucumbers, which I added them. I seeded them as an experiment, and I see they already bear some fruit. See this one here. Hopefully, I can. I don't know if I can winter them, but yeah. Moving away from the peppers and the tomatoes, right here I do have four apple trees. Yes, four apple trees grown from a Granny Smith seed. This one is really lovely, and I hope they will survive. They should be able to withstand winter. I will I will make sure to cover them somehow. Although I don't like the fact, and I treated them properly, they have this mildew, and the leaves are rotting. I don't know exactly what's happening. They seem to be very sensitive to external factors, so they require some attention. Also have some rosemary here, which is pretty young, and I hope it will be in good shape for harvesting next year. And although I don't use it for cooking, I like to use rosemary for tea. Now here I'm trying to propagate some strawberries since I wasn't able to grow them from seed. I had two strawberries and at some point they really dried out and died. I don't know exactly what is going on. And these strawberries are from around the place and they seem to be adapted to the environment. So I think that's quite about it for this small garden. I would love to have more space to grow even more plants, but it's still quite an achievement to have all these plants producing right here. And I have been successful with the peppers and the tomatoes, and I really love them. To see them growing, it's very fulfilling. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and if you have any ideas, suggestions or comments, let me know.